Very good morning, 8th class students. Our running topic is direct and inverse proportion. So today I am going to explain about compound ratios. Listen well. Sometimes change in one quantity depends upon the change in two or more quantities in same proportion. Then we equate the ratios of the first quantity to the compound ratio of the other two quantities. One quantity may be direct proportional to another quantity or inverse proportional to other quantity. See here. Inverse ratio of A is to B is B is to A, and the compound ratio of A is to B and C is to D is AC is to B. Here is the first question in compound ratio. 24 workers working 6 hours a day can finish a piece of work in 14 days. So case 1. What is the case 1? 24 workers working 6 hours per day. They can finish the work in 14 days. See. 24 workers working 6 hours per day, they can complete the work in 14 days. What about the case 2? If each worker works 7 hours a day, here hours increased 6 hours to 7 hours. Find the number of workers. Here what I need? Number of workers to complete the same work in a day. See here. They are working 7 hours per day and they are finishing the work in 8 hours. So to finish the work in 8 hours, how many workers are required? See here, workers are depending on working hours and also completing day. Here, this quantity depending on another two quantities. Okay, see here, what is the question? In first case, 24 workers. They are working 6 hours per day and completing the work in 14 days. How many workers by doing 7 hours per day they can complete the work in 8 days? See the ratio of the workers 24 is to K and ratio of the working hours 6 is to 7 and ratio of the completing days 14 is to 8. Here always workers and working hours inversely proportional together. Why? Because see here, if working hours less, it will take long time to complete the work. If they work very fast, it will take less time to complete the work. And also workers and days always inversely proportional together. If workers are more, it will take less days to complete. See here. Workers inversely proportional to working hours. Workers inversely proportional to complete the work in some days. 24 is to K is equal. 24 is to K is a ratio of the workers is equal to compound ratio of the 7 is to 6. Actually, what is the ratio of the working hours? 6 is to 7. But that is inversely proportional. Inversely proportional means you take the ratio of the inverse ratio of the 6 is to 7. Okay. Here workers and working hours inversely proportional together. That's why I am taking inverse ratio of the 6 is to 7. What is the inverse ratio of the A is to B? Inverse ratio of the A is to B is B is to A. Here inverse ratio of the 6 is to 7 is 7 is to 6. And also days are also inversely proportional. Because of that I am taking inverse ratio of the 14 is to 8. What is the inverse ratio of the 14 is to 8? 8 is to 14. So 24 is to K is equal to compound ratio of the 7 is to 6 and 8 is to 14. So 24 is to K is equal, already I said here. Compound ratio of the A is to B and C is to D is A into C and B into D. 7 into 8 is to 6 into 14. So 24 is to k, we can write as 24 by k is equal to 7 into 8 by 6 into 14. Any cancellation? 7 ones are 7 twos are 2 threes are and 2 fours are 2 ones are 2 twos are. So 24 by k is equal to 2 by 3. Now do the cross multiplication. 24 into 3 is equal to 2 into k. So 24 into 3 by 2 is equal to k. 2 ones are 2 twos are 2 and 2s are 36. K is equal to 36. So required workers to complete the work in 8 days. Required workers is equal to 36. 36 workers are need to complete the work in 8 days by doing 6-7 hours per a day. Here is the next question on the compound ratio. Consider the mess charges for 35 students. Here, what are the mess charges? Mess charges for 35 students for 24 days is 6,300. So here, what are the mess charges? Mess charges to 35 students for 24 days. How much? 6,300. Okay. How much will be the mess charges for 25 students? Here, number of students are decreased. For 18 days, here days also decreased. In case 1, mess charges to 35 students for 24 days. How much? 6,300. In second case, number of students are decreased 35 to 25. And also, days are also decreased 24 to 18. Then what about the mess charges? Here take one table. Solution. In case 1, first mess charges. Next, number of students. Next, days. What are the mess charges? 6,300 to 34 students for 24 days. In second case, I don't know what are the mess charges to 25 students for 18 days. Here, what is the ratio of the mess charges? 6,300 is to k and 35 is to 25. Next, 24 is to 18. See here, what I need mess charges. So now mess charges depending on number of students and also number of days. Here, mess charges always directly proportional to number of students. Mess charges always directly proportional to number of students. If student increases, mess charges also increase. If number of students decreases, mess charges also decrease. For example, 10 mess charges per 10 students 1,000. Then what about the 20 students? It is 2,000. To 30 students 3,000. If number of students increases, mess charge also increase. If number of students decrease, mess charge also decrease. That's why mess charges always directly proportional to number of students. In second, mess charges directly proportional to days. Okay, see here. It means here both are directly proportional. So no need to change ratio. What is the ratio of the mess charges? 6,300. 6,300 is to k is equal to compound ratio of, what is the ratio of the number of students? 35:25 and number of ratio of the days 24:18. 24:18. It means 6,300:k is equal to 35 into 24 is 25 into 18. It means 6,300 by k is equal 35 into 24 by 25 into 18. Any cancellation? See here. 5 7s are 5 5s are. Next 6 3s are 6 4s are. 6,300 by k is equal to 7 4s are 28 by 5 3s are 15. Now do the cross multiplication. By doing that, what you get here? K into 28 is equal to 6,300 into 15. K is equal to 6,300 into 15 by 28. See, 7 4s are 28. 7 9s are 63. 0 and 0. 2 4s are 8. 2 5s and 0. Next 2 2s and 2 5s are. Here k is equal to 225 into 15. 15 5s are 75. 15 2s are 30 plus 3 37. 15 2s are 30 plus 3 33. 3,375 rupees. Required amount k is equal to 3,375 rupees. So here net charges are 3,375 to number of 25 students per 18 days. So 8th class students, here is the homework. 24 men working at 8 hours per day can do a piece of work in 15 days. In how many days can 20 men working at 9 hours per day can complete the same work?